So today we are going to learn Shoth. Shoth is also called as Shavyathu. Charak Samhita Chikitsa Sthan Chapter 12 Shavyathu Chikitsa. अथातः शव्यथु चिकित्सितं व्याख्यास्यामः इति ह समाह भगवान आत्रेय. So the first thing in Chikitsa Sthan, in Shoth Chikitsa, they are telling is the Shoth Karan, especially the Shotha which is happening because of the Dosha Vikriti. Shuddhaya Amaya Bhakt Krisha Balanam Kshar Amla Tikshna Ushna Gurup Seva Dadhi Am मृत शाक विरोधी तुष्ट गर उपसृष्टान निषेवणम च अर्शांशी अचेष्टा न च देह शुद्धि मर्म उपघातो विषमा प्रसूति मिथ्योपचारः प्रतिकर्मणा च निजस्य हेतु शव्यथो प्रतिष्ठा. So in Nidana, in Charak Nidana, they have told that the Shotha is of two types, which is Nija Shoth and Agantuj Shoth. Nija Shoth is because of the Dosh Vikriti or Dosh Prakop, whereas the Agantuj Shoth is because of the external factors, for example, a hit or a blow on the body. So the Karanas, the Hetus for Nija Shoth are Shuddh Amaya. Shuddh Amaya means the Panchkarm leads to the Shuddhi of the body. If that Panchkarm is not leading to Shuddhi of the body, it is generating some disease because of the Ayog. So that leads to Nij Shoth. Abhakt Krish Balanam. If somebody is not taking food and is Krish and is Abalanam, not Balanam, Abalanam, there is no bal in the body. With that, if Kshar, Amla, Tikshna, Ushna, Guru Bhojan is taken, Dadhi, Am, right? Dadhi is taken, Am means uncooked, unprocessed food is taken, Mrit Shak, right? Mrija is mitti, soil, Shak, Virodhi An, if it is Shak means green vegetables, Virodhi An is taken, Dusht An is taken, Gar means poison is taken, Upsrishtan Nishevanam. Upsrisht An is taken, right? Upsrisht means the food which is mixed with certain poison or certain unedible substances. Arshanshi Achesta. If somebody is suffering with Arsh, then they will develop this Nij Shoth. Achesta Na cha Deha Shuddhi. Deha Shuddhi is not done. That is, Panchkarm is not done properly, or Panchkarm is not done at all. Marmopghata, right? If Upghata on the Marma is there, Visham Prasuti, very important. If there is Visham Prasuta, means if the delivery is not proper for a lady, right, and that can lead to Shotha. Mithyopcharaha, the Upchar, the Shodhan Karma is not done properly, right? Then so these are the causes for Nija Shotha. Next is Bahya Shoth, the Agantuj Shoth Karan. Bahyas Twacha Dushyati Abhigataha. So the outside skin is made dushit by Abhighatah. Abhighat. Kast, Abhighat means hit. Kast means lakdi, right? Asham, Shastra, Ashma means patthar, stone. Shastra, Agni, Vish, Agni or Vish. Ayas means iron, right? If some because of the iron some damage is done to the body, right? Somebody is hit with the iron rod. Ayas Adye Agantu Hetu. So this Agantuj Shoth is done by these Karanas. So after Hetu, let us move on to the bheda. Trividho nijascha sarvarth gatra avyavashitvat. So again they are telling that the nija shotha, trividho nijascha, the nija shotha is of three types: sarvarth gatra, sarvgatra, ardhgatra. Sarvgatra means all over the body, sarvang, ardhgatra means half body, or avyav ashritvat, or in a particular place, in a particular location, for example hand, for example feet, right? So three types, nija is of three types: sarvang, ardhang and avyavashrit, right? Avyavashrit. Then next in chikitsa they are telling the samprapti. This shloka you have to remember, the samprapti of shotha. Bahya sirah prapya yada kaf asrik pittani sandushyati vayu, right? So when the vayu, the vayu is the main dosh here, sandushyati ih vayu, right? When the vayu do the sandushan karma of kaf, asrik and pit, right? Tai baddha margah sa tada visarpan anutsed lingam shavyathu karoti, right? So these, the vayu with kapha, rakta and pitta blocks the channels, right? They travel to the channels and they block the channels and they spread, right? They spread visarpan anutsed lingam, and it do the lakshana of utsed. Utsed means swelling, utsed means elevated, and it will do the shavyatu. So once again, the vayu, when it will mix with kaf, asrik and pit, it will block the channels and it will make the skin to elevate from its place, right? Utsed lingam shavyatu karoti visarpati, right? It will go with them, the vayu and the kapha, rakta, pitta will travel and it will cause the utsed, which is the main lakshana of the shavyatu. So then this shloka is not very important. Let us move on to the next pururupas. So the pururupas for shavyatu are ushma tatha syad davthu, right? Ushma tatha syad davthu siranam ayam ityatev cha pururupam. So the important is ushma and the most important is davthu, right? Davthu is burning sensation, right? Daha, davthu is daha. Ushma is also burning sensation and davthu is also burning sensation. Davthu is very important because it is a characteristic feature of characteristic purrup of shavyatu. So ushma, davthu, siranam ayam. Siranam ayam, siranam means the blood vessels, they will spread or they will stretch. Siranam ayam ite evcha pururupam. So the three are ushma, davthu and siranam ayam are the pururupas. Students, always remember the lakshanas, pururupa, samprapti in Sanskrit only. Let us see the next. After pururupas, we have the main doshas. Sarva tridosha adhik dosha lingai, right? So the shavyathu or the shoth is a tridoshaj rog, right? All the three doshas, vata, pitta, kapha, are involved in shoth, right? Such tridoshaj rog, other rogas are kushta, prameha, rajakshama and apasmar. These are also tridoshaj. So prameha is also tridoshaj, shavyathu is also tridoshaj. Then let us move on to the next. So the next, the Acharya Charaka is telling is samanya lakshan. The samanya lakshan of shoth. Sa gauravam syad anavastitvam sa utsedham ushma siratanutvam sa lom harsha ang vivaranata cha samanya lingam shavyatho pratishtam. right? So sa gauravam gauravta, sa gauravam gauravta, sa utsedham, right? Sa gauravam syad anavasthitvam, right? The utsed, sa utseda, the utseda is anavasthitvam. That means the swelling is not fixed. The swelling will be temporary. It will keep on coming and it will keep on going. So the samanya lakshana is gauravam anavasthitvam utsedha or utsedham anavasthitvam. So this is the second main lakshana, anavasthitvam utsedha. Then third is ushma. Ushma is also pururup and ushma is also a lakshan. Sira tanutvam, right? The siras will become stretched, so they will become transparent, right? The siras will become tanu. They will become stretched. Sa lom harsha. Lom harsha will be there. Ang vivaranata. The color of the body part where the swelling, where the shota is taking place will change. Cha samanya lingam shavyatho pradishtam. So always remember, sa gauravam utsedham anavasthitvam ushma siratanutvam sa lom harsha ang vivaranata. These are the samanya lingam of shavyathu. Let us see next. So the next, they are coming on the dosh bheda of the shota. According to the dosh, shota is of three types: vata, pitta and kapha, right? According to the karan bhed, it is agantuj and nij, which we have already talked about. Now we will talk about the bhedas according to the dosha. So the first is vata dosha or vataj shotha. Chalu, not chalu, chal, tanu, twak, parusho, aruno, asitah, prasupti, harsh, arti, yuto, animittah, right? So the vataj shoth will be chal. It will keep on moving from one place to one body part to another. In the morning it will be at the legs, and in the evening it might transfer to the feet. So chal, tanu, right? Tanu twak, the skin will become very thin. The skin over the shotha will become very thin. Parusha means rough. The skin will become rough. The skin will lose its moisture. Aruno means red color. Asita is black color. Prasupti, there will be supti. There will be supti in the part of the swelling. There will be no sensation. Harsh, or there could be more sensations, some tingling sensations. Harsh. Arti means pain. There could be pain. Arti yuto animitta, and it will be animitta. It will be irregular. Means it will come and go. Prashamyati, praunmati, prapidito. Prashamyati means it will disappear without any reason. Sometimes the shotha will be there, or sometimes it might disappear on its own. Praunmati, prapidito, right? Praunmati, prapidito. When the prapidan is done, prapiditah, praunmati, right? The anvaya is prapidita, praunmati. When the prapidan is done, when we press this shotha, praunmati, right, it will disappear, right? So if you press it, it will disappear for certain period of time. Divabali, right? It will be more at the time of the day. At the time of the day, it will be balwan. Divabali cha shavyathu samirnath, right? So such type of shotha is vataj shotha. So the important lakshanas are animittah prashamyati, right? From the first shloka, last part, animittah prashamyati. It will have its shaman animittah, irregularly it will come and go. And that is the important lakshana of Vataj, apart from the plain lakshana like Parusho, Aruno, Asita, right? Varna will be Parush, Aruna, Asita. And the second important is pra unmati prapidito, right? Or you can write down prapidita pra unmati, right? By pressing it will go, it will disappear if you press it. Pra unmati prapidito, when you press it, it will disappear, and after some time it will again reappear, right? You can say it correlates to the pitting edema. Divabali is the third important lakshana of the Vataj Shotha. So next is the Pitta Shotha. Mridu sagandho asit pit ragvan brahma jwara sweda trisha madanvitah, right? Trisha madanvitah. Ya ushyate sparsh rug akshi ragkrit, right? So first it will be mridu, right? Mridu means it will be soft to touch. Sagandho, it will be having odor, a bad odor. Gandhyukt, the shotha will be having gandhyukt odor. Asit peet ragvan, either it will be asit means black, peet means yellow, or ragvan, asit peet ragvan, right? It will be, color will be black and yellow. Brahma jwara swed trisha madanvita. So these are the samanya lakshana of pitta: brahma jwara sweda trisha, right? Madanvita, right? The person will be having certain delirium or certain mada state of condition. Then ya ushyate sparsh rug akshi rag krit. Ushyate means it will be ushna. Sparsh rug akshi rag krit, right? It will be this sparsha will be rug, right? There will be ruk in the sparsh. So the painful touch, if you touch it, it will be painful, right? So you can sparsh ruk is there. Then akshi rag krit, the eyes will become rag, the eyes will become red in color, reddish discoloration of the eyes. Sa pitta shotho brish daha pakwan, and this pitta shotha will be daha and pakwan. It will suppurate, there will be pus formation, and it is having daha, burning sensation. So that is pittaj shotha. So you can remember the symptoms like sparsh ruk first, second akshi rag krit, and daha pakwan, right? Brisham daha pakwan, very immediately it will, brisham means very fast it will do the daha and the pak, right? So that is pittaj shotha. Let us see the kafaj shotha. Guru sthir pandu arochak anvitah, right? So it will be having guruta, it will be sthir, it will be at one place, it will be of pandu in varna. Arochak, it will be having, the person will be having arochak, there is no ruchi for food, that is arochak. Prasek nidra vami, there will be prasek is lalasrao, right? Then nidra will be there, vami means vaman will be there. Vami vahni mandya krit, vahni is agni, mandya means manta, so agni mandya will be there, right? Arochak will be there, agni mandya will be there, nidra will be there, prasek will be there, guruta will be there, pandu varna will be there. Sa krich janma prashmo, so this is important, sa krich janma prashmo, right? So it will, krich means with difficulty, jan means it will originate with difficulty, and prashmo, it will also go with very difficulty. That means the onset is also very progressive, and its relieving is also very gradual. It will slowly go away, not like vataj, which will disappear on pressing, and it will appear again when the pressing is released. Na cha unmed ratri bali kafatmaka, right? Na cha unmed nipiditah, right? The shloka is nipidito na cha unmed, right? When you press it, there will be no nipidan, there will be no pressing, there will be no pitting formation. So it is non-pitting edema. It is like non-pitting edema, which is mostly because of the lymphatic troubles. So na cha unmed nipiditah, right? न च उन्मेत निपीडितः, or you can write down निपीडितः न च उन्मेत. So this is very important lakshan because it is complementary to, it is opposite to the vataj, which is प्रपीडितः प्रो उन्मति, right? प्रपीडितः प्रो उन्मति, right? Which is when you press it, it will disappear. And the kafaj is निपीडितः न च उन्मेत. Then the next is ratri bali, right? Just like vataj was divabali, kafaj is ratri bali. The shotha will be more at the night time. The next in chikitsa is they are telling about the asadhya lakshan. Krishasya, the person, the rogi, which is krish. Rogai abalasya, right? Rogi abalasya, if the rogi is abalvan. Yo bhavet updravai va, right? And with upadrav yukt, upadravai yuta bhavet. Vami purvakai yutaha, right? Vami means woman. If the person is having the upadravas of the woman, if the woman procedure is having some upadravas, if the shota has originated because of the upadravas of the woman. See, if the panchkarma mithyapchar is there, if the panchkarma is not properly done, it leads to shot. That is the primemost hetu of shot. The primemost hetus are the viruddha bhojan and the panchkarma apchar, and third one is visham prasuta. So if such shotha is there, it is asadhya. Sahanti marma anugato, right? If shotha is at the marm, at the site of the marm sthan, then also rajiman parisravet heen balasya sarvagaha, right? If there is rajiman, if there is the veins are very much visible over the swelling, right? Like caput medusa in liver, in ascites. So if such rajiman is there, it is asadhya. Then parisravet heen balasya parisravet, right? If the patient is heen bal and there is parisravan from the shotha part, if there is some srav, some exudations from the swelling, then also it is asadhya, hanti sa, right? Balasya sarvaga sahanti. So it will do the hanan, it will do the cause, it will be the cause of the death. So these are the asadhya lakshanas. Then the sadhya lakshanas, aheen mansasya, right? So if the mans dhatu of the person, if the person is having good bala, aheen mansasya, ya ek doshjo, right? The shotha which is only because of one prominent dosha, ek doshjo, navo, which is new, right? Balasthasya sukha, if it has happened to a patient who has good bala, right? So all these things, all these types of patients, or all these types of condition leads to the sukh sadhyata, sukha cha sadhane. So this is as far as the chikitsa sthan is concerned. Now let us see what the sutra sthan is telling. The sutra sthan, you can refer to the chapter sutra sthan ashtadash adhyay. अष्टादश अध्याय, त्रिशोथीय अध्याय, अष्टादश अध्याय. सो चरक सूत्र स्थान त्रिशोथीय अध्याय, अथातः त्रिशोथीयम अध्यायम व्याख्यास्यामः इतिह समान भगवान आत्रेय. So in Sutra Sthan Trishothiya Adhyaya, they have dedicated one complete chapter to Shotha, because Shotha is very important symptom which is present in more than 100 diseases of Ayurveda. Traya Shotha Bhavanti. So Shotha are of three types. Vat, Pitta, Shleshma, Nimittaha. Right? So Dosh, according to Dosha Bhed, it is of three types. So Dosh Bhed, Vat, Pitta, Shleshma, Te Puna Duvidha Nija Agantu Bhejen. So according to the Karanas, they are again of two types, Nija and Agantuj. So Karan Bhed, they are two types, Nija Agantuj. Dosh Bhed, they are three types, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Then first they are telling about the Agantu, Agantuj Shoth. Tatra Agantu छेदन भेदन क्षणन भंजन पिच्छन पिच्छन उत्पेषण प्रहार वध बंधन वेष्टन व्यधन पीड़न आदि भी वा. Right, so if all these procedures are done, then that leads to agantuj shooth. For example, chedan means to pierce, right? If you pierce somebody with a needle, chedan. Bhedan, bhedan is to separate. If you separate two parts of the body, if you pull two parts of the body apart from each other. Kshanan means to powder. If you hit the body part just like powdering a substance. Bhanjan is breaking. Picchan is pressing. If you are pressing too hard. Utpeshan is grinding, right? Then prahar is to hit. Vad is to cut. Then bandhan is to tie. Veshtan is also a type of tying only. Vyadhan is again chedan, right? Piercing. Then pidan is again to press. So if all these procedures are done on the skin, on the body, then it leads to agantuj shoth, right? Then they are telling bhallatak pushp fal ras, right? If the fal or the ras or the pushp of bhallatak is taken means applied on the body or taken internally also, then it leads to shota. Atmagupta, right? Atmagupta is a plant which is the conch. The conch is called as Atmagupta. The fruit of the Atmagupta leads to Shotha. Right? Atmagupta is again of two types, the white variety and the black variety. The one which is in our college is a white variety, and it does not contain these hairs on its fruit. So it is not the Shotha. It does not cause Shotha. Then Shuk Krimi. Shuk, right? The shuk of the krimi, which is the shuk krimi, right? The bite of the shuk krimi, it leads to shoth. Then shuk ahit patra. What is this? Ahit patra, right? Ahit patra is bichubuti, right? Bichubuti is a type of grass which leads to this swelling. Ahit patra, lata gulma sansparshnaiva, right? Lata, if if this climber is touched, or such plants are touched, some herbs are touched, sansparshnaiva, then it leads to agantush. Swedan parisarpana mutranaiva, right? Parisparana sarpana iv mutranaiva, right? If some of the animals, if their mutra or their sweat, swedan, if it is touched, or vishinam, right? If such poisonous organisms, if some poisonous animals, they are touched. Then others are savish prani, the person, the pranis who have vish, danshtra, dant, vish, vishan, nakh, nipateiva, right? If their all these organs are touched, right, then it leads to swelling. So such like that. Sagar vish, vat him dahan, right? Sagar vish means the if you are too much in the salt water, in the sea, right, then Vishvat, the Vayu which is polluted, the pollution. Him Dahan, right, the cold, if because of excess cold it can lead to swelling. Dahan means burning. Sansparshnaiva Shotha Samupjayanti. So you can remember some of these for the Karana of the Agantuj Shotha. So the next is the Samprapti, of Agantuj Shota, not very important. You can just skip it. Overall Samprapti is good enough, right, which we have studied in the Chikitsa Sthan. Remember the shloka, that only. So next is the Karanas, the Hetu of the Nij Shota. You can remember these. So first is the same, the important, the Panchkarm Apchar, निजा पुनः स्नेह स्वेद वमन विरेचन आस्थापन अनुवासन शिरो विरेचनानाम यथावत प्रयोगात मिथ्या संसर्जनात् वा, right? Ayathavat prayoga, not yathavat. Ayathavat means not properly. If these Svedan, Snehan, Svedan, Vaman, Virechan, if these karmas are not done properly, mithya sansarjanat, not done properly, ayathavat prayoga, or their prayog is not done properly, or their method is not proper, chardi. So this is the first karan. Second cause is छर्दी, अलसक, विसूचिका, श्वास, कास, अतिसार, शोष, पांडुरोग, उदर, ज्वर, प्रदर, भगंदर, अर्श, विकार अतिकर्षणई वा, right? So if the person is suffering from all these diseases and is atikrish, the person is a chronic patient of chardi, alsak, visuchika. Chardi is very important because every time they are talking about the woman. So vikar atikar, if the person has lost too much weight because of these diseases, that can lead to nijshot. Then other diseases are kusht, kandu, pidika adi bhiva, right? Kusht, kandu, pidika, the skin disorders, they need not to be chronic, even the acute conditions, and the person need not to be krish. Even simply kusht, kandu, pidika can lead to the shavethu. Chardi, shavthu, उद्गार, शुक्र, वात, मूत्र, पुरुष, वेग धारण वा. So the third cause of Nija Shotha is Veg Dharan. Now Veg Dharan of what? Vat, Mutra, Purish, Shukra, Udgar, Shavathu and Chardi. Right? Then Chardi is very important. Chardi, Veg Dharan also leads to Nija Shotha, and Chardi disease also can lead to Shotha, Nij Shotha, and Vaman Apchar can also leads to Shotha. So even if the vomiting is stopped, or if the Vaman procedure is not done properly, then also it leads to. Then Karma Roga Upvas Adva Karshitasya. Right? Karma Rog means Panchkarma. Panchkarma is not done properly. Karma Rog, because of the Panchkarma there is some disease. Upvas is done too much. Adva Karshitasya, right? The body has become krish because of the upvas. Va sahasa, right? If these people, right, the karshit person or the upvas person or the panchkarma rog, right, person who is has undergone panchkarma, if they immediately va sahasa, if they immediately take ati guru amla lavan pishtan फल शाक राग दधि हरितक मध्य मंदक विरूढ़ नव शूक शमी धान्य आनूप औदक पिशित, right? आनूप औदक मांस पयो means दूध, right? पयोगा not payo, upyogat, right? Pishit upyogat. So because of these, if a person takes all these items, right? Guru, Amla, Lavan, Pishtan, Fal, Shak, Rag, Dadhi, right? If person takes all these food items immediately after Panchkarma or immediately after Upvas, then it leads to Shotrog. Then next is after Upyogat, Mrit, Pank, Lost, right? Mrit, Pank, Lost. Mrit is Mrija. Mrit is Mitti. Pank is also mitti, it is kichad. Then lost bhakshanat, right? Lost is what? Lost is the stones, right? So some people they eat soil, so stones. Mrit, pank, lost bhakshanat. Lavan ati bhakshanat, very important. Lavan ati bhakshanat. If too much salt is taken. Garbh sampirnat, right? If there is miscarriage, miscarriage has happened. Garb sampidnat. Am garb prapatnat. Again miscarriage. Am garb means the garb which is not mature. So miscarriage. Garb sampidnat means if somebody presses the garb, if the pregnancy the garb is pressed, then garb prapatnat, am garb prapatnat, right, miscarriage. Prajatanam cha mithyoupcharat. Prajatanam means the lady who has just delivered. Prajatanam cha mithyoupcharat, right, if proper care is not given to the prajata. Udirna doshatvacha shofa pradurbhavanti iti yuktya samanyo hetu, right. So these are the karanas of the nij hetu. You can remember them according to the categories or according to the types. Then they are telling about the vataj, pittaj and kafaj shot, right. You can remember some of the lakshanas from here. I will tell you the important lakshanas from here. So first vataj, right, the first shloka, the first part of this shloka is vataj. Atra ayam twatra vishesha. So vataj, the nidanas are sheet ruksha laghu vishad shram. Shram means more activity, parishram. Upvas ati karshan kshapan, right. Kshapan is the derangement of the dhatus or kshaya rog. Kshapan adi bhi vayu. So all these factors, they lead to the vataj shot or they lead to the vayu prakop. Prakupit, right, vayu prakupit. त्वक मांस शोणित आदिनी अभिभूय शोफम जन्यति. So this is दोष विशेष संप्राप्ति. So what दोष विशेष संप्राप्ति is because of all these hetus, it will lead to the vayu prakop, and that vayu prakupit त्वक मांस शोणित आदीन अभिभूय, right, that vayu will again derange the त्वक मांस and shonit, mainly the त्वक मांस and shonit. So the srotas involved will be raktvaha and the rasvaha and the raktvaha and the mansvaha, raktvaha and the rasvaha, and it will be the sthana sansray will be in the twak and mans, in between the twak and mans, that is below the skin. Twak mans shonit adin abhibhuya shofam janyati. So it will do the derangement of twak mans shonit and it will generate the shofa. Sa Kshipra Utthana Prashmo Bhavati. This is very important. Kshipra Utthana Prashmo Bhavati. Right? So we have already studied that it will come and go very fast. So it will appear very fast and it will also disappear very fast. Kshipra means fast. Utthan means coming. Prasham means going. Tatha Shyam Arun Varna Prakriti Varno Va. Right? So it will be Shyam and Arun Varna. Prakriti Varna means skin color. Chal, it will be chal, it will move from one place to another. Spandan, there will be spandan in it, sensations will be there. Khar parush bhin twak roma, the skin will be khar, it will be parush, it will be bhin twak, right. There will be parushta, there will be dryness over the skin. Bhin twak, there will be lacerations over the skin. Roma means the hairs will be very dry. Chidyata iv bhidyata iv pidyat, right. So the pain will be of either chedan or bhedan. Iv suchi bhirav tudyate. Suchi bhirav means like somebody is poking you with a needle, right. Suchi means needle. Suchi bhirav tudyate, very important. Suchi bhirav. Kshipra utthan prashmo bhavati, this is important. And second, suchi bhirav tudyate, it is important. Then piplika bhirav sansripyate. Right, just like the ants are walking on the skin, like that sensations will be there. Sharshap kalk iv avlipt, right. So iv chimchimayate sankuchyate ayamit iviti vatshota. So if you put the sharshap kalk, right, the sharshap is your sarso, mustard. If you put the lepa of the sharshap over the skin, it will lead to a sensation, a tingling sensation, chimchimayate, right, chim sensation, and the skin will sankoch, the skin will undergo contractions and dilation. Sankuchate ayamita iveti vatshota, right. So it will be like that, just like you have placed a a lepa of the mustard over the skin. Then next is pitta shotha, ushna tikshna katu kshar lavan amla jirna bhojnai, right? So with all these bhojan plus agni bhojnai, agni atap pratap, right? Agni atap pratap, more seven of agni or more atap seven, right? Atap means the sunlight. Pratapaischa pittam prakopati, right? So because of all these reasons, the the prakopana of the pitta will take place. Twakmas shonit, same twakmas shonit will twakmas shonitani abhibhuya shotham janyati. So by deranging these twakmas shonit, shotha will generate. Sa kshipra utthan prashmo bhavati, again it is kshipra utthan prasham, it will come and go very easily. Krishna Peet Anil Tamra Avbhasa, the color will be Krishna Peet Neel Tamra. Ushno Mridu Kapil Tamra Roma, there will be Ushanta, there will be Mriduta, it will be soft to touch. There will be Kapilta, it will be yellow color, right? Kapil color, yellow, Kapil is yellow color. Tamra Roma, the hairs will become brown. Ushyate Duyate Dhupyate, right? Ushyate means there will be Ushanta, Dhupyate, Ushyate Duyate Dhupyate. Duyate is Duyate, dhupyate is just like the smoke, right? And duyate is painful. So it will be ushna, it will be painful, it will be like the smoke. Ushmayate, it will be ushna. Svidyate, there will be sweating. Klidyate, again it will be clean. Clean is the watery, right? Clean. Na cha sparsham ushnam cha shushyate, right? It will be untouchable. If you touch it, if you do the sparsh, it will be very much ushna, right? Na cha sparsham ushnam cha shushuyat, it will not tolerate touching, or it will not tolerate the heat. If you give little heat or if you try to touch it, there will be too much pain. Iti pitta shotha, this is pitta shot. Then the kafaj shot, the lakshana of the kafaj shot. First the nidanas, guru madhur sheet snigdai ati swapna vyayamat sleshma prakupit twak mas shonitadini abhibhuya shotham janyati. Sa krich utthan prashmo bhavati. So it is different, it is krich utthan prashmo. The vataj and pittaj are kshipra utthan prashmo, it is krich utthan prashmo, right? Very difficulty it will come, and it will also go with very much difficulty. Pandu Shwet Avbhaso, the color is Pandu and Shwet. Guru Snigdha Lakshan Sthir Styan, right? Guru, it will be Snigdha, it will be Slakshan, it will be Sthir, it will be Satyan. Styan is dense, right? Dense, or yes, it is dense. Shukla Agra Roma, right? The Roma color will be white. Sparsh Ushna Sah, right? Sparsh Ushna Sah. If you touch it, or if you give ushnata to it, if you get heat treatment, it will be tolerable, right? In fact, it will feel better. The shot will become better. Sleshma shotha. So these are the shotha, right? Then next line is not important. Then next line they are telling that it is because of the dvidoshaj and sannipatik. It may be of dvidoshaj or sannipataj. So the total Veda becomes 7, right? So 7 types of Nij Shotha and 1 Agantuj Shotha, total becomes 8 types. Then Dvivid Prakar we have studied Agantuj and Nij. Then Trivid Prakar we have studied Vataj, Pitaj, Kafaj. Chaturvid Prakar we have studied the Vataj, Pitaj, Kafaj, Sannipataj. Then Saptavid Prakar, the Vataj, Pitaj, Kafaj, Dvidoshaj and Sannipataj. Then Ashtavid Prakar, Vataj, Pitaj, Kafaj, Dvidoshaj, Sannipataj and Agantuj, right? So according to, and the last word is very important. Iv Utsed Samanyat, right? So the Utsed is the Samanya Lakshan of Shotha, right? The Pratyatam Lakshana of Shotha is Utsed. Then they are telling about the symptoms of Vataj, Pittaj, Kafaj, the last shloka of Sutrasthan. The last shloka for the doshas. Shuyante yasya gatrani swapanti vrujanti cha. So first Vataj, first two shlokas are for Vataj. Shuyante means sleep. The concerned part will be having no sensations, just like Shunata. So there will be Shunata of the Anga. Shuyante yasya gatrani swapanti vrujanti cha. Right, swapanti Shuyante, right? Swapanti means so jata hai, it will sleep. Rujanti means, and it will be painful. When you touch it, it will be having less sensations, but it will be painful. Piditani na unmanti ashu. Right? This is actually Piditani ashu unmanti. Right? Piditani आशु उन्मंति. राइट, तम वातशोथम आदिशेत और वातशोथम तम आदिशेत. So it means that the same which we have studied. What was it? Kshiprothanu prashmo bhavti. Right, the same meaning. So when you press it, it will come. When you don't press it, it will. When you press it, it will go. Right, like that. So piditani unmanti ashu. Right, very fast there will be pidan, there will be pitting. You press it and there will be a pit, and again that pit will disappear. So such type of shotha is Vataj shotha. This is important. Then yasya cha api arun varnabha shotho naktam pranashyati. So this is also important. Again it means Divabali. Right, we have studied Divabali. It is Divabali Vataj. Divabali, it comes at the daytime. Here they are telling Shotho Naktam Pranashyati. At the night time it will disappear. Sneha Ushna Mardanabhyam cha Pranashyet. Right, so by Sneha Ushna Mardan, because all these things they lead to the Vata Haras. Vata, they are the treatment for the Vata, increased Vata. Sneha Ushna Mardan. Then Pittaj. यह पिपासा ज्वरार्तस्य दूयते अथ विदह्यते. राइट, दूयते means painful, and vidhyate means this vidahan, the vidahan prakriya, the daha only. Right, so pipasa jwar artasya. So in this pitta shotha there will be pipasa, there will be jwar, there will be artasya. Right, jwar artasya. Swidyati, there will be sweating. Klidyati gandhi means bad odor. Sapata shavyetu smrita. Ya pit netra vaktra twak. The netra, the mukh and the twak will become yellow. Purva madhyat prashuyate. Important is purvam madhyat prashuyate. Generally this pitta shotha will generate from the madhya body, from the middle of the body. Purvam madhyat prashuyate. Tanu twak. The twacha of this Pitta Shot will be Tanu. Right, it will be Tanu, it will be Mridu, it will be Klin. Cha Atisari cha Pitta Shota sa Uchyate. Right, so there will be Atisar, there will be Pipasa, there will be Jwar, there will be Vidahan, there will be Swedan, there will be Klinta, there will be Gandhi. All these are Lakshanas of the Pitta Shot. Then Kafaj Shot. Shita, it will be Sheet. Sakt Gati means which does not spread, which is not chal. Kanduman means very important, Kandu, right, for Kafaj. Pandurev cha, Panduvaran. Nipidito na unmati. Right, Nipidito na unmati. Again, when you press it, it will not be able to pressed. Nipidito na unmati. Right, it will not raise up. Shavyathu sa kafatmaka yasya shastra kush chinna shonitam na pravartate. Right, if you do the chedan of this kafaj shot with shastra or kusha. Right, kusha means with some poking substance. Right, if you do the chedan karm, right, shastra kusha chinna shonitam na pravartate, there will be no outcome of blood. right? Because it is fluid filled, it is lymph filled, so there will be no blood when you do the Chedan karma. Krichen pichha sravati, right? With very difficulty there will be Sravan of the Picha. Picha is the Puya, means the pus. So there will be very difficulty, there will be pus, there will be no pus. If there is pus, it will come with very difficulty. Such api kaf sambhava. All these are kaf sambhava. Right, and then we come to the last shloka, which is Yastu Padabhi Nivritta Shotha Sarvango Bhavet. Then they are telling the Krich Sadhya Shotha Lakshana. So the Krich Sadhya Shotha Lakshana and the Upadravas are Yastu Padabhi Nivritta. The Shotha which starts from the feet, Yatu Padabhi Nivritta Shotha Sarvango Bhavet. जंतु स च सुकष्ट स्यात् प्रसृत स्त्री मुखात च यह. Right, so for ladies, for stri, the shotha which is starting from the mouth region, stri mukhat cha, is kashta sadhya, and for the males yatu padabhi nivritta, which starts from the feet and travels to all over the body, right? Shotha sarvango bhavet, right, which starts from the feet and then travels to all over the body. For males it is krich sadhya, and for females which starts from the mouth and travels to all over the body is kashta sadhya, sukashta, krich sadhya. Yacha api guhya prabhava striyava purushasya va, and which starts from the guhya region, from the genital, from the urogenital region. For both males and females it is krich sadhya. Sacha kashtamo geyo yasya cha syat updrava. Right, apart from this, the shotha which is having the updravas is also kashta sadhya. So what are the updravas? The updravas are Chardi, Shwas, Aruchi, Trishna, Jwar, Atisar, right? Saptako ayam sa dorbalyam shofo updrava sangraha. Right, so these seven, Chardi, Shwas, Aruchi, Trishna, Jwar, Atisar, Dorbalya, these seven are the updravas of the shotha. Shushruta is also included, Hikka and Kas as Upadrava. So that completes your shotha. Make proper notes and do well.